Today I'm going to show you how to access your Office 365 calendar so you can access important due dates. For your 3.0 module learning goal, you need to be able to access your Office 365 calendar for any important due dates so that you can use this to create a personal calendar or schedule either using a computer program, a calendar program, or a paper agenda to create a to-do list using the to-do tag feature in OneNote. So to start off, we're going to minimize I'm going to minimize my OneNote for now, and we're going to sign into our Office 365 account, which if you're not sure how to do this, go back to the how-to videos in OneNote. So when you open up OneNote, the how-to videos, it shows you how to access Office 365. So I'm not going to show you how to do that now. I'm just going to log in really quickly. So if you're not sure, make sure you go back and watch that video. And instead of clicking on the mail, we're actually going to click on calendar this time. When you click on the calendar option, it's going to open up your calendar. Please make sure that you're clicking on the appropriate calendar on the left-hand side here. So if I scroll down, I see my group's calendar, and I'm going to select my FSF1D Schloor calendar. And you'll notice that this other calendar is still highlighted. I want to get rid of all of those because it's less distracting. So it creates layers. So say if I wanted my different courses, so I'm teaching 3 or 4 different courses right now, I can see the overlap of all my assignments here and color code them. So you're going to go to just our class, so it'll be whatever class code that you're using. For example, I have FSF1D right now, and any due dates are going to pop up here. Right now I don't have any in there, but say if there was one for today, you'd be able to access those. You can change the layout of the calendar to day, work week, week, month, and to today. So that's how you access your calendar. So using that, you're now going to go to your 3.0 learning goal, and you're going to use it to create a personal calendar. So that could be in Word, it could be in Excel, or it could be any option that you really want to use. Once you have that created, you're going to use the insert feature. So where it says 3.1 calendar on the right hand side here, you're going to click on that, and then you're going to go to Insert at the top here, and you're going to click Insert, and you're going to see this file printout. You're going to click File Printout, and you're going to select the file that you want. So for example, if I wanted to insert I don't know, a PDF, for example, I can insert that, and it's going to generate a copy of that in there. So if you have a Word document, you can insert a Word document, you can insert a PDF, you can insert a picture using the picture feature, which I'll show you next. So if you've decided that you don't want to use the printout feature and you like to use a paper copy organization system, that is an option. So if we go back to our 3.0 learning goal number 2, it says you can either insert using file printout like I just showed you, or you can insert a photo. So using your camera or your if you have a personal device of some sort, you can take a picture and you can actually insert. So you're going to go to calendar and you're going to click pictures, and you're going to select the picture that you want and click open down here. The next thing that you're going to do for this assignment is you're going to create a to-do list using the Home to-do tag feature. So you're going to go to your 3.2 to-do list, and I've created a sample here for you. This is a textbook that's already been created. It can be clicked and dragged and put wherever you want, but we're going to create a new one. So we're just going to click anywhere you want in the blank part of the document here. And then you're going to make sure that you are on the home ribbon here, and you'll see to-do tag. So you can click on that, and then you can type in what you have to do. So if you're creating a list for the class, it might be, for example, create to-do list. And what's great about this feature is you can create as many as you need. just by hitting enter. And then once you have an item completed, you can click check off completed. So for example, up here in your learning goal explanation, I've actually created a to-do list here. So once it's done, you can check it off. So you know that it's done, and I know that it's done as well, because I'll be able to see this work in your personal binder. The other option as well is to create using a template. So if you go to Insert, you can go to Page Templates, and there's actually a project to-do list, there's a simple to-do list, and there's other page templates that you can search, just like in Word if you want to find a pre-made one. So if I click on Simple To-Do List, it creates a simple to-do list, and then I can just click here and I can add my items. Item 1, item 2, etc. And it makes it a little bit more personalized if that's something that you want to explore as well. But in your to-do list, you'll notice that it's created a new one. So I have my sample one here, but I have also a new page here of that created to-do list. If you ever want to delete an item, you just right-click and click delete. If you realize you didn't want that, you can just click home and you can click the undo, which is... there is an undo. Oh, there it is. Up at the top here, you click undo and it goes back. But we want to delete that, so I'm going to delete that again. So those are your features for this learning goal. So you're going to create them in these pages on the right hand side here, and once they're created, I want you to check off the box saying I'm done. Good luck!